Highest common factor problems. Problem number 1. If 63 apples and 28 oranges are equally shared, what is the most number of people the fruits could be shared between, and how many apples and oranges would each person receive? First of all, let's find the highest common factor of 63 and 28. Okay, so we'll just write 63. And that's going to be equal to 7 times 9. And breaking that down to 7 times 3 times 3. And now we'll take the 28, and that is 7 times 4, which of course is 7 times 2 times 2. And I think you can see then that the highest common factor is going to be the 7. So we'll write that down. The highest common factor is equal to 7, which means the most number of people, the most number will be 7. That will justify this. Each person would receive 9 apples, 3 by 3, 9 apples. Whoops, 9 apples. And here we go, 4 oranges. And we can see this because if we work at the total number of fruit, there is going to be 63 apples plus 28 oranges, which gives me a total of 91 pieces of fruit. Now, we could say 7 times, now each person gets 9 apples and 4 oranges, that's 9 plus 4, which is 7 times 13, which also gives you the total of 91. Problem number 2. If 30 potatoes and 42 carrots and 66 parsnips are equally shared, what is the most number of people the vegetables could be shared between, and how many potatoes, carrots and parsnips will each person receive? A little bit harder, but we'll do the same sort of thing. We'll break up and find the highest common factor between the 3 of them, and then we'll get 30 is equal to 3 by 10, and that's equal to 3 times 5 by 2. The 42 is equal to 6 times 7, which is 3 by 2 times the 7, and the 66 is 6 times 11, which is 3 by 2 by 11. And yes, the highest common factor you can see here is 3 there, a 3 there, and a 3 there, and a 2, and a 2, and a 2. So the highest common factor is equal to 6. So 6 is the most number of people. Now what do they each get? Well, each person will get 5 potatoes, they would get then 7 carrots, and 11 parsnips. Justifying this, the total number of vegetables, the total number will be equal to 30 plus 42 plus 66, which is 138 in total. Now there were 6 people, right, so that's 6 times the total number they each got, which is 5 plus 7 plus 11, which is 6 times 23, which again gives you the 138.